that's what you're striving for. Okay, and then put these back. Make sure you put your bolts back in there and put the other ones in there. And there's two reasons for that. Number one, you're not going to lose them. You put them right back. Number two is you don't want any dirt daubers or bugs building a nest inside them threaded bolt holes where they go. So you just put them back in there and run the bolts all the way back down, and you don't have to tighten them or anything. You just put them in there. But this works really well for me. The rope situation, that works really well. And then, that good boss is in the way. The next chore is we'll take the carrier bearing loose. I know I'm upside down here, so we'll do it this way. We'll take the carrier bearing loose, and we'll be able to slide it down. That when it drops down, that'll give me more inches this way. I can just take the whole drive shaft out if I wanted to, but right now I'm dealing with, I want to get that flex plate out and move the transmission back about 4 inches. By doing this rope right here, I can actually let it down some more. I can let it down, and then I can slide back 4 inches. No problem. See, it'll drop down and it'll slide on back. Or I can raise it up above the differential and it'll slide on back. See, I'll show you, I got room. It's just gotta get it up there. Pain in the ass. I'll probably just lay it down because it's just me doing this right here. Be easier. But I don't want it in the mud and in the dirt and all that crap right there. Alright, y'all. There's what I'm doing. And I'll probably end up replacing that rear transmission mount along with that seal. I gotta get the right seal. This one doesn't require a boot. That boot's just all mashed up and shoved back in there on top of that seal, and what it did is it keeps the seal open. I'll show it to you in a little while.